Hi, Tyler. Tell me what you loved about your new installation here.
So we went from having one shelf, basically, and not even one wire shelf in our laundry room, and it just was not working out. So we called Jackie, and she came in and helped us draw out a plan and measure everything and organize, the way we wanted our laundry room to look. And this is the finished product. We're very happy with it. We've got some cabinets that open and close. We've got two up here for storing laundry detergent, etc., any other cleaning supplies that we need for the clothes. Got another cabinet with shelves inside, 3 shelves in here. Ben, do you want to open the other one? Open the drawer. And we've got this where we could put cat. We have 2 cats, so we could put cat treats, etc., in this drawer. And then one of my favorite features. Ben, open the other drawer. No. This is okay. Well, this you can open that too. This is where the litter box is for the cats, and there's a hole for them to go through. That is great. And the litter comes out for easy changing. And there's a drawer right above it. Can you open that? Yep.
Yes.
Open. And the ironing board comes out. You want to show how the ironing board comes out? The ironing board comes out and unfolds. And it's really great. And we can just put the iron. There's a spot for where we can put the ironing board. The iron on the shelf right next to it. And you can put the ironing board any direction you would like, or we would like. And then we have these shelves over here, and you can get them with doors or without. We were planning to put our laundry baskets in there. We've got 3 kids, so lots of laundry and baskets.